If your EMIs suddenly feel heavier, blame the repo rate. If home loans are cheaper, thank it too. Yup, this one number sneaks into your wallet every time. Think of the repo rate as the RBI's money remote control. It's the interest rate at which India's central bank lends money to your bank. When the repo rate goes up, borrowing cash gets pricey, so banks make home loans and car loans more expensive. Your EMIs go up, ouch! So people and businesses borrow less, which cools down rising prices or inflation. But when the repo rate drops, banks borrow cheaper, pass on the savings, and suddenly loans are affordable. EMIs chill out, spending and investments zoom up, and the economy gets a jumpstart. But hey, too much of this and inflation might start partying a bit too hard. In a nutshell, the repo rate is RBI's secret weapon to keep our economy balanced. Want more financial wisdom made easy? Hit follow.